Hi there, and welcome to AGcollectables. This is our very first YouTube video. We've been involved in the sports cards and collectibles business for a little over a year now, and we're excited to be joining the YouTube community. Today we'll be breaking two 2023 Bowman Mega Boxes and one 2023 Topps Series 2 Retail Mega Box. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Hit that notification bell for our future videos, and check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So with all that being said, let's get to ripping these packs and see what we can find. Most, if not all, hits will be posted in our eBay store. So check that out at your leisure. And here we go. We're going to start with the Topps. We'll start with the Topps Series 2. Oh boy. All right. I'm gonna do quick rips on this one. All right, let's see what we got. First stack. Mr. Posey. Nice gunner. Got a blue parallel, Andrew McCutcheon. Xander Bogaerts. Garrett Mitchell. Josh Jung. He's looking okay this year. Jake McCarthy. Man, I rarely find these cards. And a flip again. Bobby Dahlback. The guy's had some ups and downs. Charlie Morton. Hey, you got a blue Ricky Henderson. That's nice. Get you sleeved up here. Massa. We love Massa. Cody. Nick Allen. Spencer Strider. Schwab. All right. So that was the first half of that first stack. Let's see what else we can find here. And the flip. Manny. Boba guy hits like crazy. Tristan Cassis, he's starting to pick up. Let's see. Julio Ioria. That's a cool picture, though. And flip. Schwarber. So far, just that. Really just that Ricky Henderson. Oh, got a chrome Jose Altuve. That's kind of nice. Jeremy Pena, Gold Cup. Lars and Newtbar. MJ Melendez. Looking forward to seeing him do a little bit more. Okay. Let's go ahead and sleeve these bad boys up real quick. Got the chrome. We'll still keep you off to the side. Our blue foil, Ricky Henderson. Wonder what they're going to call the new athletics stadium. Because eventually, you know, they're moving to Vegas. I wonder what they'll call it. Will it still be Ricky Henderson Field? We'll see. Let's go ahead and put you on a little stand there. Andrew McCutcheon. I know you're a blue parallel, but we'll just keep you off to the side for now. All right, let's go on to the second half. I'll just do all of them again, I guess. What do you think it's going to be? Are we going to get an auto? Are we going to get a relic? Anything numbered at all? Ooh, that one felt a little heavy. Will the retail mega box pull through for us? Oh, we got Ohtani right there. Oh, he's hot. Okay. Anything? It's hard to tell. Oh, profiles. Spencer Torkelson, Future Stars. Ooh, look at that, Anthony Rizzo. Got a nice little relic. Not numbered, but looking good. Nice. Rafael Devers. Corbin Carroll. That guy's going to be, he's playing so good right now. Chrome, Alek Manoah. Cheese in it. least we got a gold coming up. Something. Gold, Mike McCollis. Out of 2022. Alex Hernandez. I like these. I like these a lot. We've got a bunch of them so far, but they just look cool. Xander Bogaerts. I like the team cards too. Like, you get a whole set of them together and it just looks pretty nice. Reed Detmers, Gold Cup. Still excited about him since his rookie year. Joe Adell. Jeff's got a good looking. That's a good picture. Let's go. Mackenzie Gore, Retail Blue. Look at that. And the Shohei Ohtani. Yeah, we're actually getting a few cards out of this thing now. All right, let's see what the second half has for us. Senga. Mayhew. Anthony Rizzo. Oh, got a purple. We got a purple shimmer. Should we save it till the end? I think we shall. At least that's what everybody else does. Keeps you in suspense. Corbin Carroll. Nice. Stars of the MLB. Let's see. Jared Walsh. Griffin Jacks. Richardson. Another Shohei Ohtani. Coast Korea. Ooh. What's it going to be? Could it be anything? Foil. Miguel Rojas. Michael Harris. Been watching a lot of him. Anthony Volpe, another big one. We were watching him just the other night too. Apparently he's in the same, I believe it's the same guy. He was in the same class as Ohtani in Japan. Somebody to keep an eye on. James Outman. A lot of people are going crazy over him. Stone Garrett. Ronald Acuna. Nice. Joey Votto, Stars of the MLB. Tampa Bay, another team card. Minnesota, Cincinnati, Chicago. Wow, there was a bunch of those in a row. Mackenzie Gore. All right. Cutter Crawford. He's actually been doing pretty good this year. Jonathan India, Chris Taylor, Kyle Schwarber. Stars of the MLB. All right, what's it going to be? It's a Cub. Brad Boxberger. Brad Boxberger. One's going to be numbered out of 799. Very nice. All right, let's get these sleeved up here. Put some stand-worthy cards up. We'll go with these. I gotta put these in top loaders. gold. People like the gold cards a lot. I don't know. I'm not really sold on it yet. I need a thicker one for that bad boy. Yeah, we'll go ahead and sleeve the chrome and the blue foil, or excuse me, the blue retail and the foil card. So I guess these foil cards, I'm not sure here. They're supposed to be. I'm not sure what the print run is on that. Drop the camera. Of course, that happens all the time, right? And let's see, we'll stick you. That should do. Got Anthony up there. Go ahead and stick our gold Miles card. Our purple shimmer, Brad Boxberger. I have to look those up. And we'll go ahead and stick this in a sleeve too, just because I like them. All right, so that was basically all of our hits from 2022, or excuse me, 2023 Series 2. I'm knocking over everything. So let's see what we can do with these Bowmans. Is there going to be an Ellie? I'm not sure. I hope there is. If there's an Ellie, whew, Ellie autograph, that's going to be a tough one to sell. I might have to keep that for the PC. But we'll see. All right. Bowman Megas, we'll keep those. How about, you know what, let's save all the Megas for the end. So I'll just go through the base packs on both boxes. And, yeah. Best for last, right? Could open them first, but, you know, what good is that? No suspense, no drama. See that Marcelo Mayer. Went down and said, ooh, yep. Let's hope that's something. Okay. Reese, Alec, nice gunner rookie. Brian, he had a tough night the other night. Did not look good for them. They were playing the A's. All right, Robert Perez first. Colby Thomas first. Trey Turner. Oh, Tatis. He's an interesting character. I still kind of like him. Kennedy first. Daniel first. Got a chrome. Diane Jorge George. I don't know. I'm not sure. Mike Trout. Bobby Witt. Christian first. Kyle Harrison first. Hey, Cam Collier. Ooh, we have such a nice card of him. We got a gold speckled chrome. Some prospect cards. Shea Langoliers, rookie. Libertor, rookie. Whole lot of nothing in these retail packs, except, well, you got that Ellie. But man, look at how curved that thing is. That's ridiculous, man. All right, we'll go ahead and stick Ellie in a sleeve, just because I don't know if you've been watching him or not, but good grief, this guy can play. It's amazing. Okay. Let's move on to that second box. And we'll get into the mega packs. Mega packs to the side. Yeah. Hey, when that happens. Alright, fine. I'll open you a weird way. Alright. Alright. Something colored, something numbered. Brian Bayo again. Fernando Tatis. Blaze Jordan. Be interesting to see what he can do. Mike Trout. Huxley. Oh, man. Julian first. Encarnacion first. Bobby Witt. Shea Langeliers. Libertor rookie. Cade Cavalli rookie. Ricardo Perez first. Chrome. Man, he looks young. Nick Prado. Oscar Gonzalez. Vaughn Grissom. You know, I haven't really been watching a lot of the Braves lately, but I also really haven't heard that much, so somebody out there let me know if he's doing pretty good. Let's see, Hector Rodriguez and Austin Charles Chrome first. Okay, guys. Let's hope these mega packs don't let us down here. Keep knocking this camera over, good grief. DL Hall on the back. Let's just do one at a time here, shall we? Ooh, nice. We got a Wander Franco. Cam Collier. Loving it. Tristan Casas. I'm glad he's starting to pick it back up. It's a nice rookie. Elijah Green. Very nice. DL Hall rookie. All right. Got some pretty good players in there. Pack number 2. I am not even going to try on that first name or last name. Tamar Johnson. Brian Acuna. Yordan Alvarez and Luis Rodriguez first. Have to look into that one. All right. Peguero. Ooh, we got a color. Jonathan Aranda. Switch that color to the back. Dylan Farias first. Angel first. All right. Who's it going to be? It's a Red Sox. Tristan Casas out of 199. Rookie. That is nice. Looks pretty centered. Corners look good. And I don't see any print lines, thank God. Very nice. Get you sleeved up real quick. Looks like a pink. Magenta or something. Tuh. Stand worthy. All right, last pack. Xavier Isaac. Oh, we have an autograph. It's Bowman first, though. Ooh, Von Grissom. Look at that. Again, yeah, let me know if he's doing any well this year. That's pretty nice. Another Elijah Green. DL Hall again. All right. Looks like, oh, I saw the name. Let's see. It's an A's player. Whew. Henry Bolte. Look at that. Bowman. Chrome. Mojo. Not numbered, but man, that's pretty nice. Got kind of a cool signature too. Looks pretty good. Man, that's thick. Get a different case because that, our top loader, that last one didn't fit very well. Yeah, there you go. All right, so let's recap here. All right. Anthony Rizzo. These stands are so horrible. Casas. All right, we got. Look at all that shimmer and shiny. So we got. Start with the last one here. Henry Bolte. Bowman Prospect autograph. A Mojo Chrome. That looks nice. Tristan Casas, pink chrome. Mojo rookie out of 199. Very nice. Hope he keeps up doing well. Our Brad Boxberger. We got a purple shimmer. What was that? Out of 799. Very good looking card. Miles Mikolas. Gold out of 2023. I may have said 2022 but earlier, but no, it's 23 for sure. And Anthony Rizzo, game used memorabilia. Makes a difference instead of just some random patch. Very nice. I do like this. Ricky Henderson, blue foil, parallel. Again, not numbered, but that's still nice. All right, and that's about it, guys. So most of these hits, we'll probably hang on to the Casas for a little bit for ourselves. We're huge Red Sox fans. So we'll PC that one. But all the rest will more than likely be posted in our eBay store. So like I said, check out the eBay, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. And give us a like, share the video, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. Hit that notification bell, and hopefully we can make some more videos here. We usually break about once a week at least. Sometimes it's twice. If we're having like an off week because of work and whatnot, we will do one probably every couple weeks, but most of the time it's once a week. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked what we had to show, and we will see you guys later. Thanks.